Hey guys, this is Thomas from freewaysocial.com, and in this video I'll show you how to fix Snapchat verification code problem. Are you not receiving the verification code on Snapchat? You can easily fix this problem. Just follow these steps. First of all, check if you are connected to internet and that your internet connection is stable. Then go to your phone settings. Scroll down and go to Apps. Tap on Apps at the top again. Search for a Snapchat app and open it up. Now tap on Storage. Select Clear Data and press on OK. This should fix the problem. If this still didn't help, then just uninstall the app and download it one more time again. That's how it's done. I hope this guide was helpful and you are able to fix Snapchat verification code problem. Don't forget to like this video and visit us at freewaysocial.com.